That's welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we are in this NASCAR, and today we're going to be playing on the new track called hellride. I don't want to say that for my channel, but it looks like a pretty fun circuit, so let's get into this. And I have this car, so it should be pretty fun. Okay, so we have all these other cars. Ooh, I really want the car right next to me, and the one in front of me. They're the same cars though, but who cares? But we're off on our way in the new track. So this should be pretty fun. I've tested it out, and there's complete chaos off the first stretch. This is going to be great. Ooh! That was a little spooky. We're going to bang you right there. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. When I managed to get in first by that. Woohoo! Yeah. Let's go. Whoa! That was a little close to flipping over. Whew. I don't like riding the wall, but I have to or do that. Whoa! That was a near miss. So many near misses. Ooh! I am like missing all of these cars as I'm like dodging every hit they bring me. Let's go up the ramp. Or not. Oh, this video is going to be called like so many near misses or something. Or not near miss. Or not near miss either. I wrecked someone. Oh, I was playing a game on my last channel called Case Animatronics. It was a FNAF horror game. And the name of the player you play as is Bishop. I don't know how to say his name. B-I-S. Hop. Ooh! So many saves. So many spectacular saves. Woo! You know, I don't know what to call this video. Ooh. I just like drifting on the wall up there. Pretty cool. And this guy's Spin Master. Yeah, isn't that what Monster Jam makes their toys from? Spin Master? Also, he's really spinning. If his name's Spin Master, he don't want flying. Are we gonna beat this first try? Because if we do, I'm gonna be happy. Or I can just land on top of a car. No car driving someone into a car. It's the final lap and I only have 33 health. Come on, game. Don't do this to me. Or maybe I'm just really bad at driving. Because I'm at 32 health. I cannot die. Let that car drive past. Get onto the wall. Let them all smash into each other. Just run into a bunch of pieces. And we'll be fine. Please do not. Oh, pretty cool. So we're going to the last corner. Mr. Knuckles. Like Knuckles from like Sonic. We beat this first try. This is pretty cool. Probably not. Ooh, riding on two wheels. Smash! Driving him backwards. Yeah! Perfect! And I beat that in 4 minutes. I want to view the replay. I'll be right back with you guys. I'll show you the replay of what happened last. So here's the final clip. Boom! And let's drive across the finish line backwards. So, I could end the video here, but I'm not. Oh, we got the hammerhead. Because it is something I want to try. Actually, no, I'm going to end the video here. If you want to see another video on this game, I'll gladly do it. But anyway, other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.